Are you struggling to set the default date type in Entity Framework Core? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge when transitioning from EF6 to EF Core. Today, we're going to simplify this process for you. I totally get it. Switching frameworks can be a headache, especially when you have to adjust your code for something that seemed so straightforward before. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the question we're diving into today. One user asked, how can I set all my date fields to use Datetime2 in EF Core, just like I did in EF6? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this together. So what's the deal with Datetime2? In EF6, it was easy to set the default type for date fields, but EF Core requires a different approach. Understanding this transition is key to making your code work seamlessly. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set the default date type, but I'll also share a bonus tip that will make your EF Core experience even smoother. To set the default column type for all date fields in Entity Framework Core, the user should start by overriding the onModelCreating method in their DB context class. Next, the user can configure all properties of type DateTime to use the Datetime2 column type with a precision of 0. This is done using the properties method. After that, the user should ensure that this configuration is applied whenever the context is used. This means placing the configuration inside the onModelCreating method. Finally, the user should save their changes and run any necessary migrations to update the database schema with the new column types. Fun fact, did you know that Datetime2 was introduced in SQL Server 2008? It offers more precision and a larger date range than the traditional DateTime type. So, you're making a smart choice by using it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to install the NuGet package Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.SQL After installing, you can specify the column type for your date properties using hasColumnType with the value DateTime. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always keep your Entity Framework Core updated. New versions often include performance improvements and new features that can save you time and headaches. And there you have it. You've successfully set your default date type in EF Core. Remember, staying updated and using the right configurations can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.